Hey guys, welcome to the new video. So we are learning about binary arithmetic, and binary arithmetic is really very similar to how decimal arithmetic is, as you can see in this example with addition with 10 plus 10. So let's do the addition now, hands-on. First with decimal, I know you guys already know that, but it's also nice to practice. So 10 plus 10 is going to be 20, but you guys already know that. So let's try in binary how this addition would be on binary. So let's see. In binary, we are going to, of course, now we just like convert 10 to binary. So it's 10 1 0 1 0 plus 1 0 1 0. 10 plus 10. It's going to be 0, and then it's going to be 1 carry 1, and yes, so it's 10. And then 10 again, because 1 plus 1 equals to 10, and this is the result for addition, for this addition. 10 plus 10 in binary, it's equals to that. So now subtraction, which is also like really similar to how it works with decimal. So let's start with decimal, as we are doing that first to compare to you, so you guys can see how similar it is. So 10 minus 5, you borrow this one because 0 is not enough, so we have like the result of 10 minus 5 is going to be 5. So let's see how this example would work in binary. In binary, it would be something like this. Now we convert these values to binary, of course. So as you know, 10 in binary is 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 0 1 0 1, which is 5. So of course you can reduce 0 from 1, so you get like borrow the 1, and then yes, you go borrow, and it's like 10 minus 1, and the result is that again it's 5 in binary, as you can see that. If you guys want to slow down the video, you can do it to understand it better. So multiplication also is pretty similar. So first we are going to see how multiplication works with decimal values. So 10 multiplied by 10, it's 0 0, and we will draw a little square just to so you know how to position our numbers. So it's going to be 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, and then 1 again, and the result is 100, as you guys know that because I believe you already know about decimal multiplication. So let's start with binary. With binary, 10 10 multiplied by 10 10, it's going to be 0 0 0 0, of course, and then we repeat the process with the other values as well, which is already pretty intuitive, but as you can see in the video, just like decimal multiplication. Yes, as you can see, it's pretty similar process, like we go like doing all the multiplications and then we sum everything, so we have the final result. So 0 0 1 0 0 and carry 1 1 and 1, and this is the final result of 10 multiplied by 10 in binary. Now division, also the very similar process of how we do and with decimal numbers. So in decimal, a normal division, like a very simple division, will be like this. 10 divided by 2 is going to result of 5, I already know that, but just so to illustrate to see how similar it is to binary. Yes, so let's just erase everything to see how it works with binary. So with binary, let's try it. So it's going to be okay, we convert everything again. 10 10 divided by 10, which is 2 in binary. So the first 10 is going to be 1, of course, so 10 minus 10 is going to be 0. We get this little 1, but it's not enough for us, so we get the 0 again and put a 0 there to show that you use a 0, and then it's 10 minus 10, you put the little 1 there because it's divided again, and the result is like not the same. So